Hi everyone, it's Nikita here again, and in today's video I'm showing y'all the quickest and easiest way to blend your eyeshadows perfectly. Okay, just stay tuned and let's get right into it.
I used to be 14 in the crib, trying to be a trap nigga. Now I got me some 4 seeds at the game, trying to go bad nigga. Got me feeling like Spike Lee on the woods, smoking on pat nigga. Drunk texting my wifey, so I know I'll get a text back nigga. 45.
Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna need is this foam applicators that you usually find in your eyeshadow palettes. Do not underestimate them because they pack a load of pigments. Okay, first do also apply some concealer on your eyelids and set it with a powder. Okay, I've already done that. Pigments I'm going to use are the gold shade, peach, and a darker shade of the peach. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the applicator to pick the pigments and apply them on my eyelids as you're seeing it. So after applying the pigments on my eyelids, I'm going to pick a brush with a very soft fluffy bristle. Okay, and then I'm going to pick 2 pigments at a time and blend in. You can dab or blend it gently. All right, so you guys might notice that I'm not cleaning the brush before blending another color. That's because this helps to blend in perfectly and seamlessly, because you still have pigments of each color which blends in to become one. Okay, now let's pick the lightest shade that we used, which is the gold, and then apply it lightly under your eyebrow. All right, and the inner corners of your eyes as well. So the little hint on how to pick your pigments for your eyeshadow is to pick a lighter shade, middle shade, and then a darker shade. All right, at this point, if you want it really light and simple, you can just leave it like this, but I want to let the peach stand out a little bit, so we are taking a little bit more of the middle shade, dab it onto the middle. All right, and make sure it's blended in with the side to form a smooth transition. And then just like that, we have a beautifully blended eyeshadow. This technique is perfect for beginners and it's quick and easy to do. You can achieve this look in a maximum of 5 minutes. All right, so guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it this far, you are the real deal. Do well to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in my next one.